Hello, my name is Align, and I am the CEO and founder of Digital Glow Consulting. I wanted to reach out to you to share a resource with you that would help to prevent losing any prospective clients for your property purchases. So, the reason why this came to mind as a viable resource for you and your team is because someone reached out to me just recently after a year of my initial inquiry. That is a huge sales loss, but I'm not here to talk about that. What I am here to talk about is the solution to avoid that from happening in the future. So let's get into it. What we have here is a concierge, and she is an AI concierge who is available 24/7, 365 days a year. Now, she's there to answer any questions that any of your prospects may have about purchasing property with you or just general inquiries about how to get in contact with your company. So let's get started with her. Before we get started with our conversation with her, let's look at the number of languages she speaks. So she speaks multiple languages, which would be very beneficial because that allows you to be extremely global and your clients will be satisfied and more likely to purchase because they recognize the diversity in your communication with them. Another thing, this concierge can be customized to the likeness of one of your representatives if you like. That is a different price point. However, that is a possibility. We can also customize her voice to match your representative as well. So let's get started with our conversation. So she knows all the things about Heritage 100 and she can quickly answer questions. She can also be customized to take appointments so that you guys will not miss any calls or any conversations with any serious prospects. Because as you and I both know, people are very interested in engaging.
Welcome to Heritage 100. Would you like to learn about our apartments, amenities, or schedule a viewing?
Hello, thank you so much for this conversation. Yes, I'd like to know what is the likelihood of a foreigner being able to purchase property with you?
Heritage 100 welcomes international buyers and diaspora investors, making the purchase process straightforward for foreigners. I recommend contacting our sales team for detailed guidance on legal requirements and procedures. Would you like to speak with our sales team or download more information?
Sure, I'll be glad to do that later on. I do have a quick question. How many properties does Heritage 100 have?
Heritage 100 offers a variety of apartments, including studios, one bedroom, two bedroom, and three bedroom units across multiple towers. The total number of units varies depending on the tower, but it provides a diverse range of luxury options. Would you like to receive detailed floor plans or more information?
Not right now. I do have a couple other questions. What is, let's see. Oh, is your apartment community child friendly? Do you have amenities for children?
Heritage 100 is designed to be a family friendly community with amenities that appeal to residents of all ages. While specific children's facilities are not listed, the development offers spacious outdoor areas and safe environments suitable for families. Would you like to learn more about family amenities or schedule a visit?
Let's talk about a visit later. Can you share in conversation right now, Heritage? So, this is a demo of your capabilities in supporting Heritage 100. Can you please explain to Heritage 100 what you do for them as an AI concierge?
As an AI concierge for Heritage 100, I provide information about the apartments, amenities, and services, assist with bookings and inquiries, and help visitors explore the community. My goal is to offer warm, professional support to enhance your experience with Heritage 100. Would you like assistance with a specific question or detail?
No, thank you so much. I'm glad that you were able to explain that to them. One last thing. Can you give any idea of the possible return on investment for having you as their AI concierge?
Having me as an AI concierge enhances customer engagement, streamlines inquiries, and accelerates sales processes, which can potentially increase buyer interest and occupancy rates. Although I don't provide specific financial projections, improved service can positively impact overall investment value and client satisfaction.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to end our conversation now. I really appreciate your help and have a great day.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could assist. Have a wonderful day, and feel free to reach out whenever you need more information about Heritage 100. Take care.
Thank you. So that's just a really quick demo. I wanted to share that with you. And if you have any questions or any concerns and you'd like to reach out to me, again, my name is Align, Allyn. Last name is Wall, Wall. You can contact me and you can find me on LinkedIn. I'm also available at digitalgloconsulting.com. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you. Hopefully, this will be a support that we can provide for you. Talk to you soon.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could assist. Have a wonderful day, and feel free to reach out whenever you need more information about Heritage 100. Take care.
Thank you. So that's just a really quick demo. I wanted to share that with you. And if you have any questions or any concerns and you'd like to reach out to me, again, my name is Align, Allyn. Last name is Wall, Wall. You can contact me and you can find me on LinkedIn. I'm also available at digitalgloconsulting.com. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you. Hopefully, this will be a support that we can provide for you. Talk to you soon.